So Fibonacci series is a series of number where the first two number are 0 and 1 and each subsequent number is a sum of the previous two. So that's why I will initialize t1 to 0 and t2 to 1 and we will display those 0 and 1 as it is for every execution of the program. So let me give you an analogy. If user enters count as 10, this is the Fibonacci series number displayed. How it displays? So first two number are 0 and 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So each subsequent number is the sum of the previous two. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So let's keep counting like that. So next series 3 plus 5 is 8. So each subsequent number is the sum of the previous two. You can keep on adding those previous two values. You will get the next value in the Fibonacci series. So if the user enters count as 10, we will display 0 and 1 because we know that the first two number are 0 and 1. So we subtract this count, that is 10 by 2. According to the Fibonacci series principle, we have added the first two number, that is t1 and t2, to get the next term in the series. After that, ask the user to enter the number of terms and get the number of terms using scanf function. Next, we have added a for loop in order to get the complete Fibonacci series up to the user's entered terms. So our for loop condition is shown in the argument body, such as I variable is set to 3 because we need to start the series from third position because first two number are already defined. Next, the I is less than equal to n condition shows that the for loop will work till condition I is smaller than equal to n. After that, the output will be generated. And next we increase I value by 1 after every iteration of for loop till I is less than equal to n condition satisfies. In for loop body, we assign the t2 value to t1 and next term value to t2 for each iteration. And adding t1 and t2 values for each iteration. After the successful execution of the for loop, we can be able to see the Fibonacci series as the output for given terms. That's how our output has been generated successfully. So now please rotate your mobile phone to see algorithm and flowchart. So this is our algorithm for Fibonacci series. Step 1, start. Step 2, declare a variable I and next term. Step 3, initialize t1 is equal to 0, t2 is equal to 1. Step 4, addition of next term is equal to t1 plus t2. Step 5, enter the one number. Step 6, initialize I is equal to 3. Check the condition I is less than equal to n. If true, then display the value of next term. Step 7, interchange the values. T1 is equal to T2, T2 is equal to next term is equal to T1 plus T2. Increment I by 1. Step 8, repeat step number 6 and 7 till condition I less than equal to n becomes false. Step 9, stop. So this is our flowchart for Fibonacci series. Start, it is in terminal symbol. Declare a variable I comma next term, it is in processing symbol. Initialize t1 is equal to 0, t2 is equal to 1, it is in processing symbol. Addition of next term is equal to t1 plus t2, it is in processing symbol. Enter the one number, it is the input, so it is in input symbol. Initialize I is equal to 3, it is in processing symbol. Check I is less than equal to n, it is in decision box. Print value of next term, it is the output, so it is in output symbol. Interchange the value t1 is equal to t2, t2 is equal to next term is equal to t1 plus t2, it is in processing symbol. Increment I plus 1, it is in processing symbol. Stop, it is in terminal symbol.